everyone, my name is Akshada Pal. I have completed my Bachelor in Arts. Through one of my relative, I got to know about eVision. So I joined the 60 days of course. During the course, I got some severe health issues problem, which is why I was not able to attend some lectures. However, eVision team supported me and never gave up on me. They supported me throughout my journey and even helped me to continue and complete my course once I was fully recovered. A special thanks to Anamika ma'am, Priya ma'am, and their team, an entire eVision team, for believing me, encouraging me, always being there whatever I needed help. Without their support, this achievement wouldn't have been possible. I'm very happy to share that I have been placed to Excel industry with a package of 3.5 LPA. uh, this is a big milestone for me, and I truly owe this guidance and training with eVision, received by eVision. Thank you so much, eVision, for your constant support, motivation, and helping me to build my foundation for my career. I will be really grateful. Thank you so much.